Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar at a press meet in Bengaluru said Congress government will request MPs to put pressure on the central government. Come what may, they will go through with the promise on Anna Bhagya scheme. Anna Bhagya scheme gives 10 kgs of rice to people below poverty line, and it is one of the 5 assurances given to the people of Karnataka in Congress manifesto. D.K. Shivakumar said Congress government is requesting to other state government to help procure rice to launch the scheme. He also said there would be a protest on June 20th against central government for denying rice to people of Karnataka.
We wanted to give 10 kilos of rice as promised. Anna Bhagya scheme. We had requested the central government, Godan, which there is an option for sale of rice, which they have 7 lakh metric tons excess. So we had requested them, they had assured that they are going to give 2.8 lakh of metric ton at rupees 34 rupee a kilo. Now after giving the assurance, they have said that we have changed the policy, and they have said that the sale of wheat and rice to the state government is discontinued. Now, in order to see that this problem is sorted out, we are just requesting the other state governments to help us in procuring the rice. Whatever may be the situation, we are going to implement the rice. But the Congress party, we have to show our interest, and we have decided to have a protest that is on the next Tuesday. What is the date? 20th. In all the district headquarters, we will have a protest against the central government.
BJP General Secretary Ravi Kumar said central government is already providing 5 kgs of rice, and due to monsoon season, rice production is less. He also said Congress government should not play politics, making rice procurement as a reason.
ये गलत है, क्योंकि सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने क्या 5 किलो राइस देना था वो दे रहा है। वो कंटिन्यूअसली हर स्टेट्स को आ रहा है, 5 किलो हर व्यक्ति को आ रहा है। ऐसे 80 करोड़ पीपल्स को, 80 करोड़ जनता को पूरा देश में कर्नाटका स्टेट मिलकर दे रहा है। लेकिन कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट ने इसमें पॉलिटिक्स कर रहा है। वो क्या बोल रहा है, हम 5 किलो देने के लिए।
On Thursday, Siddaramaiah's Congress government revoked anti-conversion law, which was introduced by previous BJP government. On this, KPCC working president Salim Ahmed said that Congress party had assured when they come to power in Karnataka, they will remove anti-people bills during elections. An anti-conversion bill was one of them, and now that Congress is in power, they have fulfilled the promise.
एंटी-करप्शन बिल जब पास हुआ था तभी हमने प्रॉमिस किया था कि जब हम सरकार में आएंगे तो ये बिल विड्रॉ करेंगे, ये नया कुछ नहीं है। अब बीजेपी की उनको ही कहा था, हमने असेंबली में भी कहा था, काउंसिल में कहा था, लोगों को कहा था जो एपीएमसी एक्ट होगा या एंटी करप्शन बिल होगा ये एंटी पीपल है, इसलिए ये जानबूझ के परेशान करने के लिए बिल लाए गए थे। तो बिल्कुल जो है हमने जो हक कहा था हमने किया है, हमारा जो कमिटमेंट था, जो प्रॉमिस था हमने किया है। अब बीजेपी वाले अभी हार चुके हैं, परेशान है, हार गए, इसलिए तो ये इस सारे गलतियों की वजह से लोगों ने घर बिठाया उनको, इसलिए आज वो इस तरह बात कर रहे हैं। तो अभी आराम से कुछ दिन रही है, उसके बाद जो आपको खिलाफ करना, विरोध करना है, अगर कोई पब्लिक इश्यूज है उसको लोग वेलकम करेंगे, लेकिन इस तरह का आप करोगे लोग आपको कोई सपोर्ट नहीं करेंगे। जो हमने कहा था वो हमने किया है।
BJP General Secretary Ravi Kumar said forced conversion across the state based on bribery isn't right. Legal procedure should be followed if an individual does decide to convert. He said conversion from one religion to another is illegal and anti-national.
देखिए, कन्वर्शन ये नहीं होना चाहिए। अगर लीगली होना चाहिए, आप एप्लीकेशन डालना डीसी ऑफिस में, नहीं तो तहसील ऑफिस में एप्लीकेशन डाल के लीगली क्या क्या प्रोसेस है वो सब करके आप कन्वर्शन हो सकते हैं। लेकिन वो पैसा देकर, गाड़ी देकर, ऐसे कुछ लालच विषय में फंस कर कन्वर्शन होना ये पूरा देश में गलत है.
Primary and Secondary Education Minister Madhu Bangarappa said Kannada and social textbooks will be revised from class 6 to class 10th, and chapters on RSS founder Keshav Hegdewar, Veer Savarkar and right-wing leader Chakravarti Sulibele in the textbooks will be removed.
Kannada subjects, few chapters, leaving out few phrases and sentences we didn't want it to again pressure too much. Same thing is followed by in social studies also. Now only two subjects we have changed. The changes are done in Kannada 6 to 10th standard, social studies 6 to 10th standard.
On this, Salim Ahmed said Chakravarti Sulibele promoted saffronization as per committee reports, hence he was removed from textbooks.
चक्रतीर्थ उसने जो है कमेटी रिपोर्ट ने जो है उसने बहुत कुछ परेशान करने के लिए सैफराइज करने की कोशिश किया था, उसको हम ठीक कर रहे हैं. प्रियम्बल कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को एक पार्टी का नहीं, एक कम्युनिटी का नहीं है. प्रियम कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हर बच्चों को पढ़ाने का जो निर्णय लिया है इसको हम वेलकम करते हैं.
BJP MLA R. Ashok said there will be protests throughout Karnataka against Congress government for revising textbooks and on anti-conversion law. He also said Siddaramaiah's government are followers of Tipu. On Congress government being denied rice by central government to fulfill Bhagya scheme, R. Ashok said this scheme was added in Congress manifesto and not in BJP's manifesto or Modi government's manifesto. And Congress party has a lot of money, they can buy rice with that.
Textbook revision, all this last cabinet, the Congress government, they announced will struck down. So BJP will take protest against the Congress government. We done for the Karnataka development and for the student. The especially conversion bill is not a Tipu formula. Congress party following the Tipu formula. We are following Hindu formula. So we'll 19th we'll sit together. We'll decide. All over Karnataka will protest against the Congress government. 100%. They are trying because they celebrated Tipu Jayanti. More than 50,000 people they converted in Tipu regime. So they started now. So Congress is encouraging for same pattern because they are followers of Tipu. Siddaramaiah and government, they are followers of the Tipu. They are following.
And
सर व्हाट डू यू हैव सो मच ग्रज अगेंस्ट टिप्पू सुल्तान? सर कांग्रेस ने आज कहा है कि 20
When they announced a free guarantee card, that time they asked Modi government, no, you only done this, your manifesto, Congress manifesto, that's not a BJP manifesto, that's not a central government manifesto, your manifesto. What is the, what to do, your job, not central government job. You want to purchase rice, you purchase anywhere. You have money, plenty of money, excess of money in the Congress party. You can purchase. I condemn this. So whatever we done on the advice of the team. So Congress now directly they are struck downing the things. That's why I will condemn, especially in the textbook.